and welcome back to my desk. Bit of a rough and ready unboxing for my first ever cloth and paper unboxing. This is the July box and it arrived in the nick of time as I've discovered that many of the items are themed for August and it's the 1st of August today. I would have liked to have done this as a first impressions, but I was too eager to use the material because most of it is dated for the 1st of August. And when I opened the box, I realised I actually didn't know what most of the things were for. So let's get to it. The items do come wrapped in tissue paper. I have subscribed to the Penspiration and cloth and paper stationery box, so this is the most expensive box that they do. So first up is some cards, and these have messages on them, I want to say. However, I'm not really sure what you would use them for. Notwithstanding that, now I find I can't even open them. Everything comes wrapped in plastic, which is not great. And so you get little cards, and I'm not sure how to pronounce this, a flaneur. One who wanders for the sake of curiosity and exploration. So that one I will stick on the fridge just because I don't know what else to do with it. And then we have some others. Again, really not sure. This one is particularly, I just don't get it. Don't be a lady, be a legend. So that's those, and then an August calendar. That's handy. These are apparently self-care stickers, and they say things like happy hour. I don't drink, so that's great. Nail appointment. I actually have started to do those, so that's okay. Salon appointment. I might use one of those in a whole year. Dinner date. No. Coffee. Don't drink it. Me time. Sure. Sorry about the shininess, but I can't be bothered taking everything out of this plastic. Next up is a notebook that says legendary goals, legendary ideas, legendary plans. Kind of sweet. And it is an undated diary form. I should say that most of the items from cloth and paper do come in the form of a planner of some description. I don't own a planner. I occasionally buy filofaxes, but invariably don't use them. The last one that I purchased, the clips on the interior didn't quite meet, and so whenever I turn a page it catches on one of the clips, and that's just super annoying, and so I stopped using it. So next up is when you say that you don't have a planner, they send you the planner items as loose leaf and unpunched. So I will use this. I'll just clip it together with some other clips that I have, and this is for the month of August. And they have also included September. This unboxing is possibly a little too rough and ready. We also have a 2020 planner. I believe they always send a test card for you to test out the pens. We then have what looks like a completely undated planner, a generous amount, so that's good. I can clip those together and use those. Seems to be another notebook, bear with me. No point in speaking over the plastic wrapping. So this is called Grit and Grind. You can hear the dog clicking around. And this is dots, so I'll definitely use this. And that's actually a perfect size for work. It's not too weighty. Another notebook. They do send a goodly amount of stuff, although they are one of the more expensive subscription boxes you can get. Comes from the United States. I'm in Ireland. I had no duty to pay on this box. And this one says iconic goals, iconic ideas, iconic plans. So we had legendary and now we have iconic. This one is lined. You all know how I feel about lines. No, I just don't see myself using it. I mean, it would be good for work because I'm not as invested in the items that I use for work. So the pens from the Penspiration come in a little pouch. I do like these little pouches. I use them a lot. And there is text on this one. Let me empty it out. There is luxury in simplicity. True that. So as I said, one of the main reasons that I can't really do a first impressions on these boxes is because half the time I don't know what the things are. So this one is fairly straightforward. It's a pen, one of those pens that we had in old school. My one has blue, green and red. Thought it was supposed to have 4 with a black, but don't really mind. I prefer a thinner pen. I have quite small hands, so I will probably give this one away to my niece. This is a clip that has a slot for a pen, so you can put this on a notebook and apparently fit a pen through there, although not that last one. This is nice. I like the colour of the barrel. It's a mint green. Seems like a fairly straightforward pen. Nice thin nib. Barrel is a little thick, but notwithstanding that, I think I will be able to use this. This is very heavy feeling. I have no idea how to open it. Oh, there we go. And if I look on the blog, oh, listen to that squeak. I believe, yes, so this is the refill for this. And I think this is an executive pen, and I've just managed to dismantle it in such a way that the spring has fallen out. So we'll put that to one side and fix it later. And then again, a very thick barreled pen, very nice, extremely nice, but possibly a little too thick barreled for me, and a refill for that. I'll have to try that out. It's a very unusual nib. I don't know if you can see that. It's not focusing. Come on. There we go. Sort of a red nib, although I don't believe it's red ink. Let me see if I can find that card to test it. Here. Right, maybe this isn't a pen at all. I don't know what I'm doing because I appear to have damaged the nib. Let me see what the website says. Says it's blue ink gel. I'll have to play with that some more because at the moment all I seem to be doing is rubbing too hard on a felt tip that has no ink associated with it. Lovely, so that's my first unboxing from Cloth and Paper. All a bit bizarre and odd, I appreciate. Dogs clipping around and that sort of thing. But as I said, I wanted to get to use some of the stuff today, and so that's that. See you next time.